Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another one of our essential oil breakdowns. Today we're going to be covering Ravintsara. This is a pretty cool aromatic oil. Its popularity seems to vary based on what group I'm in, so I can't really get a good read on how many people use this. Locally, I want to say about half the practicing aromatherapists I know actively use it. I think almost everyone has it in their collection or has at least glanced at it at one point or another. It is super plentiful, and it seems like every real source for essential oils carries it. So, if you have any indicator on how popular it is exactly, please feel free to let me know down beneath. Personally, my use with it is pretty limited, but I don't know. I might be open to it for some recipes. I just don't see it that commonly used. I don't know. Maybe that's just me, though. Maybe that's just where I'm looking. If you know any recipes, drop them down beneath, as always. But before we dive into its profile here, always consult your doctor before use. Most essential oils are relatively safe, but you're always going to want to err on the side of caution. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at its profile. It is described as having a penetrating and woody aroma. Its uses are most commonly influenza, shingles, supporting the immune system, stress, depression, calming the nerves, promoting sleep, and muscular aches and pains. So it's kind of all over the place, which is really nice. We have a pretty cool recipe that takes advantage of a lot of these, so that'll be pretty cool. In any case, its method of extraction is steam distillation, and it blends well with cedarwood, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, lavender, peppermint, rosemary, and sandalwood. And under notes, you'll just see possible irritation, which is true for every essential oil for the most part. Now let's take a quick moment here and actually look into its history. Ravintsara is native to China, south of the Yangtze River, Taiwan, southern Japan, Korea, and Vietnam, and has been introduced to many other countries. It can be used topically to relieve pain, irritation, and itching. Ravintsara is also used to relieve chest congestion and inflammatory conditions. Really cool stuff. So, what I gather is it's used in a lot of places around the world. It primarily seems to be a medicinal plant, which is kind of good in its own right. And as far as I can tell, it exists on a shrubbery, which is pretty cool stuff. So, odds are this will grow in most tropical climates for sure. You might even be able to get it in some more arid regions. Who knows? In any case, let's dive into the recipe we have planned out. This is the Ravintsara chest rub. We haven't really done a lot of chest rubs. They're not too complicated. They're really just an oil-based aromatherapy blend, but whatever. This one is 2 drops Helichrysum italicum, 3 drops peppermint, 4 drops Ravintsara, 4 drops lemon, and 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil of your choice. I feel like jojoba oil would probably be preferential, but who knows, really whatever you have kicking around should work fine for this recipe. In any case, let me know what you think of Ravintsara down beneath in the comment section, and mention any thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, or recipes you may have. And if you'd like to get your hands on this essential oil if you don't own it already, or if you're looking to restock, I highly suggest you do so using Rocky Mountain Oils. And of course, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.